Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog. Back up in here with another one of them things. I know y'all probably upset with me. Charge it to my head and not my heart, man. I've been we got a few things to talk about, which is a good thing. Cause if we ain't had nothing to talk about, it wouldn't be no need in me being here. But I know I've talked to y'all about this project that I'm doing right now. We're gonna get into the other projects, but this is a part of my 8-week project, where it has just become a part of my 8-week project by default. I said I wanted to do it, but I didn't actually have a specific time when I was gonna start doing it. So as y'all can see, we in the backyard, man. We in the backyard, and your boy done started on his journey, man. So yeah, before we get any further, y'all go ahead, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. And share these videos, man, cause you know I like when y'all share, man. New people come in, new people get to talking to me, man. I get to, you know what I'm saying, interact with some new individuals who may or may not be like-minded individuals, you know what I'm saying? Either way, it's all good. But we are back here, and I have started. Hold on. I have started on the patio, man. Started on the patio in the backyard, the privacy patio, man. So I'm about to get a door put in where my window is. It's gonna come off of this. Boom, boom. Step out the door. Step out the door. It's gonna loop over here. Y'all see I'm digging out the patio right now. If y'all can't tell, it's starting right here. It's ending over there at the end of the house. It's a pretty big patio, bro. Or whoever I'm talking to. It's a pretty big patio. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna kick it out here, man. We're gonna kick it, have us a good time in privacy. You know what I'm saying? Just kicking and vibing. I ain't gotta walk all the way from the fire pit over here. I ain't gotta walk all the way from the fire pit back in there and then come all the way back to my bedroom, when I can just come right here. Have me a little, have me some little fun right here, man. Sit back, smoke me a cigar, do the things that, I do over there by the fire pit. Might even put a fire pit over here, because I think it's going to be big enough to where I could do that. So, build me a fire pit in there. And, yeah, man, I think it's going to be cool. She said she wanted a jacuzzi out here, so we're probably going to put a jacuzzi out here. It'll probably be on the other side over there. I ain't sure. But, if it fits in here, we'll put it in here. We're going to do it like that. So, right now what I'm doing, I'm digging it out over here. Well, all this grass got to come out, and all of this grass has to come out, and we're going to level it out. You know what I'm saying? Make it level, and then we're gonna go from there. But right now we're in the digging process of getting all the grass out. I'm doing a pea gravel patio. So it's gonna be fairly inexpensive. Like I said, the most expensive stuff is probably gonna be the furniture and all the other stuff that we getting to put in there. So yeah, man. Wanted to come in and show y'all that, man, because I've been chilling. I ain't posted a video in about a week, I think. So get back to it. We also got to talk about the workouts and what we've been doing for the 8-week challenge. So we're gonna get into all that. If you haven't already, follow me on TikTok, BeeloNation. I really been over there active a lot lately. So if you haven't, go ahead and follow me over there. The patio will be on there. I record a few videos, but I haven't posted them. But yeah, that's where we at. So with that being said, let me go ahead, get back over here, get to work, hit y'all in a second. Alright, y'all. So we got a couple more lines cut out. We got a couple more lines cut out. We on a roll. We on a roll. So I know y'all probably looking at it and y'all can tell that it's a slope going downwards, but we gonna rake. I'm gonna smooth the dirt out. Y'all know how I go. I'm gonna grade it out so they over there can be even. Yeah, grade all this out, grade this down so it can be even, and yeah, we're gonna do it that way. So this right here is where I'm gonna stop it today. So I gotta go and handle some stuff. So let me go and do that. We'll get in there and talk about the other stuff in a second. Hold on. Yo, we back, man. Back up in here. And your boy, DIY Belo, is doing something for the first time ever. So, I haven't been recording, but I actually went and got me a TV for the man cave. I got me a PS5. I've been trying to do stuff for the man cave, man. We still gotta still on the 8-week challenge, man, of doing better. I still gotta hit y'all with the numbers from the past couple weeks or whatever. But I came in here, man. I had my TV sitting on my bar. So I was thinking today, like, man, these folks charge X amount of dollars to hang TVs. I wonder, can I hang it myself? Never done it before. I was nervous. No, I looked at my stud finder. I looked it up, like, man, how to use stud finder, because I can't never get the studs right when I be wanting to get them right? Man, I was doing the stud finder wrong. All that. So look at this. Your boy got the TV frame up there, man. I'm finna go and get my TV. Finna mount that thing up there, man. And yeah, we finna have ourselves a mounted TV in the man cave. I got some stuff on the way. Boy, I'm excited. I got one more bolt to put in here. One more of the leg bolts to put in here. And I'm finna go and get my TV, man. I'm gonna hang on. Well, I ain't hanging on that mount. But I'm finna put this TV up here. Because I tried to pull it out the wall and it didn't come out. So I think I found the studs. I think I found the proper way to use a stud finder. And my stud finder is not a stud finder. Well, it's a stud finder, but it's not. It's the edge finder. So it finds the edges of the stud. So my thing was, when I was finding studs and they light up, I was marking it right there, like, yeah, you go in right there. No, you have to wait. It finds the edge, so it doesn't find the center. So you have to find the other edge, and then the center is in between those two marks that you make. So that's what we got going on right now. Yeah, so I'm about to put this last one here, hang this TV, and I'm gonna be right back. Yeah. And we in there. I probably can still bring it down some if I want to, but it's fine, because ain't nobody finna be like, this is where I'm sitting in now is where my couch is gonna be. So if I decide to bring it down, I mean, yeah, but it ain't like I'm holding my head up to try to see it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. And where y'all at right now is eye level with me. Yep, y'all eye level with me. Man, my seconds run out fast on this joint. But yeah, so I just hung my first TV. Proud of myself. So yeah, when I come back, man, we're gonna get into all the other stuff, where I've been, what I've been doing, and all that good stuff. So yeah.